Tired of cluttered counters, messy drawers, and overflowing cabinets? In today's video, we're looking at 10 must-have home and kitchen organization essentials that'll transform your space into a calm, functional, and stylish haven. All products are linked below for easy access. Let's jump right in. Keep your leftovers, lunches, and meal preps perfectly sealed with the Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers. They're made from crystal clear Triton plastic, which is stain and odor resistant, so you always see exactly what's inside. Each container features 100% leak-proof airtight lids with secure latches, ensuring no spills. Ever. Built-in vents let you safely microwave without removing the lid, and their stackable design saves space in your pantry or fridge. Dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. This set of 5 containers is a true kitchen essential. Next up, the Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers with scoops, perfect for organizing dry ingredients like flour, rice, or cereal. Each set includes 3 16-cup containers with matching lids and half-cup scoops. Made from clear, shatter-resistant Triton plastic, they allow full 360-degree visibility and keep food fresh longer with airtight seals. They're BPA-free, stackable, and dishwasher-safe, making your pantry look professional, clean, and easy to maintain. If you want a pantry that's both beautiful and functional, this set is a must. Say goodbye to cluttered spice cabinets with this metal magnetic spice rack organizer. Each rack has a heavy-duty magnet that attaches securely to your fridge or oven. No drilling or adhesives needed. Made from rust-proof metal, it's strong, sleek, and space-saving. Perfect for small kitchens, it keeps all your seasonings within easy reach and neatly displayed. The design makes it easy to move, adjust, or reorganize anytime. Simple, elegant, and incredibly functional. This is the spice storage hack every kitchen needs. Organize your entire home with the ClearSpace plastic storage bins, versatile containers for your pantry, fridge, laundry room, or office. These large-capacity bins are perfect for creating clean, clutter-free spaces. They're stackable, portable, and feature easy-grip side handles for quick transport. Made from durable, BPA-free, shatter-resistant plastic, they're safe for food and easy to clean with soap and water. Each measures 11 by 8 by 6 inches, ideal for everyday storage in any room, functional, durable, and crystal clear. These bins make organization effortless. Keep your eggs neatly stored and easy to access with this auto-rolling egg container. Its gentle slope design allows eggs to roll forward automatically. No lid removal needed. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, it's sturdy, clear, and easy to clean with soap and warm water. The stackable design with clips saves space, and each tier can hold up to 14 eggs, for a total of 28 eggs in 2 tiers. Compact yet elegant, it keeps your fridge looking organized, clean, and modern. Turn clutter into clean decor with the extra grip mop and broom holder wall mount. Featuring 5 slots and 6 hooks, it provides 11 total storage spots for all your cleaning tools. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this wall mount can hold up to 35 pounds, from wet mops to heavy garden tools. The spring-loaded rubber grips prevent slipping, while the weatherproof design makes it durable for garages, kitchens, or sheds. It's easy to install with included screws and anchors. Say goodbye to messy closets forever. If your fridge is filled with loose cans, this soda can organizer set is the fix. Each rack holds 2 layers of standard 12-oz cans, and the slanted base automatically rolls cans forward as you grab one. The U-shaped front cutout provides easy access, while the clear, durable plastic helps you instantly see your stock. These organizers fit perfectly in your fridge, pantry, or on countertops. Simple, efficient, and mess-free. They make grabbing a cold drink easier than ever. Make the most of tight cabinet spaces with this 2-tier under-sink organizer. Its slide-out drawer design gives easy access to items at the back, and the reinforced base ensures stability. Made from thick steel tubing and ABS plastic, it's waterproof, rust-proof, and easy to clean. With a height of 10.3 inches, it's perfect for tall bottles, cleaning supplies, or toiletries. No tools are required for setup. Just snap the pieces together and start decluttering your cabinets instantly. Tidy up your cookware with the Cuisinelle heavy-duty pots and pans organizer rack. Standing 12.2 inches tall, it includes 5 sturdy tiers that can hold up to 50 pounds of pots, pans, or cast-iron skillets. You can mount it vertically or horizontally to fit your kitchen layout. Built from strong, durable metal, it's designed to last and keep even your heaviest cookware stable. No assembly required. Just place it where you need it and enjoy a sleek, organized cooking space. Last but not least, Let's talk drawer and countertop organization. The Pipichelle Bamboo Silverware Organizer expands from 13 to 19.6 inches, offering 6 to 8 compartments for utensils, tools, or accessories. Made from premium bamboo, it's sturdy, elegant, and easy to maintain. And to maximize countertop space, pair it with the set of 4 non-skid Lazy Susan turntables. Each 10-inch spinner has a non-slip silicone surface and anti-skid base, perfect for spices, condiments, or skincare. Both pieces add harmony, accessibility, and sophistication to any space. And that wraps up our list of 10 must-have home and kitchen organizers that'll make your daily life cleaner, calmer, and more efficient. Which product was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home and kitchen essentials from our channel. All links are in the description. Happy organizing, and see you next time.